Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today we're going to be exploring colour. Now, colour is a really powerful communication tool. It can be used to signal action, influence mood and physiological reactions. We naturally associate colour with emotion. Colour therapists believe that different colours correspond with different vibrations within the body. Now, if those vibrations are slightly askew, by treating it with the correct colours, you can restore balance and harmony. And to give you an example of some colours, green is extremely calming. It's grounding, and its peaceful nature aids to combat anxiety, and it helps restore harmony and balance. Blue is calming and can stimulate creative expression and clarity. And purple is full of life and energy. And yellow inspires happiness and optimism. Are you drawn towards a particular colour? Explore the colours that you love and make sure that you use them. Trust your own colour intuition. 2, 1. Today I'm going to make a simple hand-tied bouquet using one of our Colours of the Rainbow boxes. So enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to have a go. Create it for yourself for perhaps a much needed uplift, or gift it to someone that you know is going through a difficult time at the moment. For more information on how colour can affect your mood, click the blog in the post. We look forward to welcoming you back again for the 5th video in our Mental Health Awareness Week series. So see you very soon. Bye for now.